Hi, this is Ann with SVG Cut File, and today I'm going to show you how to get SVG thumbnails to show up in Windows Explorer. Now you will have to download something for this, but it's from Microsoft and it's totally safe, and really it's the best way to get it to work. So if you want to see pictures instead of a little file icon, keep watching. Alright, let's get started. Oh, and if you want to learn more about CRICUT and SVGs and things like that, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so I have a file full of SVG files, and I'm only getting this little Microsoft Edge image because my computer doesn't know how to recognize these. So what I want to do is go to the internet. We'll go to Google Chrome, and this software is called Microsoft PowerToys. So I'll Google that, and here it is. And make sure the URL is learn.microsoft.com here. And then when it comes up here, it says microsoft.com. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and choose Install PowerToys. And then I'll choose Install PowerToys, and this will take us to GitHub. I'm going to choose this first one, and I'll click this to download the exe file, which is a program file. I can see it downloading right down here, and it'll go into my downloads folder. And it might take some time. And then I'm on Chrome, I'm going to click this little caret and choose Show in Folder. And that'll take me to my downloads. Downloads is probably also in your quick access folder. Now this is what it'll look like if it's not quite done downloading, but when it's done, it'll look like this. I'll double click it. Next we'll get this screen, and I'll click I agree to the license terms and conditions, and I'll choose install. Okay, once the installation is completed, we can click close. Now I'll come down here to my search bar and I'll type PowerToys here. And here it is. So I'll choose open. Now, Microsoft PowerToys also will download Microsoft Edge if you don't already have it. So that window might pop up. You can just hit escape and get out of it. Next, I'll come down here and choose File Explorer Add-ons. Here in the Preview pane section, make sure that Scalable Vector Graphics, which are SVG files, is on. Then scroll down and you'll see the thumbnail icon preview. Make sure this one is on too for the SVG. And that's it. Now we can close. Now it might take a second for your SVG files to update, but mine are all showing the thumbnail now. And that's it. Now all your SVG files should always preview like this. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you're still having trouble, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll try to help. Or if you want to let me know what you'd like to learn next, that is also helpful for me. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you!